is Nur Mazhani binti Mazlan and I'm from BA2424A. Here I am to present the topic of Islamic Bank Guarantee. Islamic Bank Guarantee is an indemnity whereby the Islamic Bank commits itself to pay a certain sum if a third party fails to perform or if any form of default occur. It is given by the Islamic Bank as the guarantor in writing at the request of the customer as the principal to pay a state sum of money to the beneficiary upon presentations of written demand. Bank guarantee offered by the conventional bank, where it is quite similar to the Islamic bank guarantee, an agreement between three parties, which is the bank, beneficiary and applicant. A bank guarantee serves as a guarantee for the beneficiary that the partner as an applicant shall fulfill the assumed financial obligations. Kafala principle, where the Islamic bank may require their customer to place a certain amount of deposit for the facility which the Islamic bank accept under the principle of wadi'ah. Thus, the Islamic bank charge the customer a fee for the service it provides. IBG may fall into the following categories. The first one is tender guarantee, second, performance guarantee, third, guarantee of subcontracts, fourth, guarantee in lieu of security deposit or special guarantee, fifth, guarantee for examinations of custom duty, sixth, guarantee for maintaining ledger accounts, seven, custom bond, eight, warranty maintenance, and nine, advance payment. Islamic bank guarantee based on kafalah principle, where it includes three parties, which is bank, beneficiary, and applicant. First, the customer requests issuance of the IBG from the Islamic bank. Second, the Islamic bank issues the IBG to the beneficiary based on the kafalah principle. Third, parties to the contract perform service and or honor the underlying contract. And fourth, upon completion of the contract bearing any claims, the IBG is returned to the Islamic bank. Bank guarantee based on conventional. It is an agreement between three parties, which is bank, beneficiary, and applicant, where the applicant seeks guarantee, bank as the guarantee, and beneficiary takes the guarantee. Kafalah, where it means guarantee. Some Islamic bank issue letter of guarantee on behalf of their customer using hybrid of two principles, wakalah bil al-ijtimar and kafalah, to provide the most Sharia compliance and internationally accepted Islamic trade finance alternative to the current practice of the charging profit on the kafalah based on Islamic bank guarantee. The following are the stages involved in the operations of the hybrid of the wakalah bil al-istimar and the wakalah based IBG. First, in essence, the Islamic bank will require the customer to place a deposit under the wakalah bil al-istimar, whereby the Islamic bank will impose or charge an agency fee for managing the funds. Second, in the event of any claims made by the beneficiary, the Islamic bank may uplift the deposit and profits due on the investment to partly cover the amount payable to the beneficiary under the claims. Third, if there are no claims made by the beneficiary, the profit is payable to the customer. Fourth, upon claims, the procedure and risks are the same as per existing guarantees facility, although the risk is reduced by the cash deposited in the form of an investment account held on behalf of the customer by the bank. And fifth, the difference between the existing guarantee model and the proposed structure. Hybrid of wakalah bil al-istimar and kafalah principle in Malaysia, where it includes Islamic bank as guarantor, beneficiary, and applicant as principal. The first one, the customer requests insurance of an IBG from the Islamic bank. Second, the customer places fund with Islamic bank based on the wakalah bil al-istimar principle, whereby the Islamic bank will manage and invest the funds on behalf of the customer. The fund also serves as a deposit for the insurance of the IBG. Third, The Islamic bank issues the IBG to the beneficiary. 4. Party to the contract perform service and or honor the underlying contract. And 5. Upon completion of the contract bearing any claims, the IBG is returned to the Islamic bank. The comparison between Islamic bank and conventional, where Bank Muamalat as the Islamic bank. In instrument features, this is a guarantee given by the bank whereby agrees to guarantee a liability of a customer or applicant in case of the latter defaults in fulfilling his obligations. Where it benefits, Bank Guarantee Islamic is a facility guaranteed by the bank to importers for the clearance of goods at the port without producing original bills of lading. It should only be issued for the documents drawn under the bank letter credit or customer with approval. Bank Guarantee Islamic facility for collections document, and where it types tender or bid guarantee, performance, contract guarantee, guarantee for advance payment, guarantee in lieu of security deposit or supply guarantee, guarantee for examinations of custom duties, guarantee of maintaining ledger account, guarantee for the honoring of checks and custom bond. Next, the comparison between Islamic bank and conventional, where Maybank as the conventional bank and in instrument features usually used to bid for tenders as a contract requirement or to guarantee payment obligations. It takes the form of a financial guarantee which ensures the fulfillment of financial obligation by you, and a performance and tender bond which ensure the performance of an act agreed between you and the beneficiary. It can be issued to a local party as well as foreign party, contains a specific validity period of coverage and claim period, and available to customer with a trade facility or on an act basis with certain limits prescribed. Where it benefits is reflect on your capability to carry out payment obligations, allow you to obtain favorable trade terms from the beneficiary if a bank guarantee is produced, no necessity to raise cash to meet the deposit requirement, and fund could be used to support working capital requirement, and it allows you to have access to fund, especially where a bank guarantee is issued for advance payment or for the release of retention fund under contract, and where it types contain tender guarantee or bid bond, performance guarantee, advance payment guarantee, warranty maintenance guarantee, and retentions guarantee. Available in both conventional and Islamic. In conclusion, both banks has offered the bank guarantee, but the comparison between conventional and Islamic trade financing, where the export credit financing for the conventional letter of guarantee charge commissions, and for the Islamic export credit is based on kafala or a hybrid concept of wakalah bil al-ijtima and kafala.